Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 S 鵬。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And recently, or about a couple of months ago, the Taipei 猫空 Gondola started. 你有沒有去坐那個貓空纜車啊？哈芒就阿伯的對了。
係啊。
哦。
你坐過係？
我還沒有。It is a very lengthy gondola ride, a total of 4.03 kilometers, and it takes you through 4 different stops, and they're all very important stops because you can do some sightseeing at these places. 聽說這個貓空纜車呢，自這個7月4號開啟之後呢，然後呢，它是一個這個算是有大眾傳輸性質的一個纜車嘛。So let's teach people how to say this in Hakka, okay? 我們用客家話來教大家怎麼講這4個站 ，OK？ 第一站呢，就是我們的台北 Zoo， 也就是動物園站。
動物園站。
動物園站，哎，這個很久以前教過。動物園，我們到現在都還沒有去過哈。好，再來第二站的 second stop is another stop that's within the Taipei Zoo. It's called the 動物園內站 the Taipei Zoo South.
動物園內站。
動物園內站. And then the third stop, which is a very famous temple. In fact, if you get a chance, you should go to this temple. They have a lot of stairs that goes up. It's really beautiful and majestic. It's called the 指南 Temple, 也就是指南宮站。
指南宮站。
指南宮站，宮就是宮嘛哦。And finally, of course, taking you to the mountaintop with the beautiful scenery and a lot of sightseeing up there is 貓空站。
貓空站。
喵。哎，对哈，客家話講貓 cat. Actually, 貓空 means cat empty.
貓空站。
貓空站。And by the way, 你有去過貓空嗎？
有啊。
有哈，因為大家去貓空的目的呢，就是它那個山上好多漂亮又好喝的這個茶園。So let's teach people how to say that. You want to go up there for not just the scenery, because you can see Taipei City from up the mountains there, but of all the tea fields and tea houses they have up there. So 茶園 tea fields.
茶園。
那如果說喝茶的話呢？
飲茶。
飲茶。
也有人說食茶。
食茶也可以。All right, so whenever you get a chance, go ahead and enjoy the gondola. That's how you say it in English. 缆車，貓空纜車 now available to everyone here in Taiwan. That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.